Bonnie Mathews, and I'm 55. I had numbness, tingling, and severe pain in my left leg. It would travel from my hip right on down to my toes. I would rate my pain on a scale from 1 to 10 at a 10. I was unable to work. I have not worked since June. I wasn't able to travel alone. I laid on the floor all the time, or my bed, flat on my back or on my belly. It was the only way to combat any pain. There were times when I would even have to crawl to the bathroom and pull myself up on the counter just to be able to stand up.
This is Dr. Abdullah Al-Arfaj. Thanks for coming and discussing case of Bonnie. She's one of my patients who presented to the clinic with problems starting as a back pain and then started experiencing some severe pain radiating to her lower extremity. She's gone through some conservative treatment and some pain management. However, that failed to control and improve her pain, especially what we call the radicular pain down to her leg.
When I decided to come to Insight, I had seen another surgeon and went through all of the testing he required for pre-op. I was waiting for them to call me. I waited, and I spoke to them several times on the phone. Their scheduling person even. She would tell me, I will call you back tomorrow. I will call you back. If it was a Friday, I'll call you back Monday. She never called me back. I got to the point mentally and physically where I wasn't able to do it anymore. So the magic of Google, and it just so happened Insight popped up, so I called. And I'm so happy I did.
We had some images, including an MRI of her spine, which showed what we call a herniated disc in her lumbar spine, compressing and putting pressure on one of her nerve roots. That explains her pain in her lower extremity. What she needed is what we call hemilaminotomy and microdiscectomy to decompress that nerve root that was under pressure and causing her this severe pain that she was having.
My initial consultation with Dr. Al-Afraj was great. I had brought the testing that I had previously had done in my MRI CT scan with me. He brought it up on the screen. He explained to me what was going on. He showed me everything. He told me how he would treat it if I chose, to have the surgery. There were 3 different options. He explained all 3 of them, and he initially he left it up to me as to, my course of treatment. And I appreciated that.
She impressed all of us, and she had a remarkable outcome where she was extremely happy with how the pain is almost completely disappeared, and she was almost completely pain-free, both in her lower extremity and as well as her back. It was our pleasure taking care of her and operating on her, and thank God that she showed this extremely remarkable outcome, becoming almost completely pain-free after this kind of surgery.
I was feeling nervous about having the surgery, mainly because I had heard so many horror stories about people having back surgery and things that had gone wrong. My main concern was not being able to walk or having some sort of paralysis. But I was surprised. My pre-surgical pain, the majority of it was gone. Like 2 days afterwards, my family at home was reminding me, you can't do that, because I would try to do too much because I felt so good. I can get in the car and I can go wherever I want to go. I can basically do what I want to do. My overall experience with the team from beginning to end has been amazing. From the time they answer the phone, everyone is so helpful, courteous. No question is a dumb question, they make you feel like they care. And you don't get that everywhere. And they direct you where you need to go. It's just been an amazing experience.